Are you a freelancer or business owner working with international clients? Receiving payments from overseas can be a challenge. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of ensuring smooth and secure international payments. Step 1. Choose a suitable payment gateway. Select a reliable payment gateway that supports international transactions. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, and Payoneer. Consider factors like fees, supported currencies, and ease of use when making your choice. Step 2. Set up your payment account. Create an account on your chosen payment gateway and provide the necessary information. Verify your account to enable transactions. Step 3. Generate invoices. Use invoicing software or create invoices manually. Clearly state your business name, client information, product or service details, and the total amount due. Include your payment gateway information so clients can easily make payments. Step 4. Choose a currency. Decide on the currency in which you want to receive payments. Consider your client's location and the prevailing exchange rates. Step 5. Communicate payment terms. Clearly communicate your payment terms with your clients. Specify the due date, payment methods, and any late fees or penalties. Consider using a contract or agreement to formalize the terms. Step 6. Address currency exchange fees. Be aware of currency exchange fees that may apply. Research different payment gateways to find the one with the most favorable exchange rates. Step 7. Monitor payments and resolve issues. Regularly monitor your payment gateway account to track incoming payments. If you encounter any issues, contact your payment gateway's customer support for assistance. Step 8. Consider payment protection services. For added security, consider using payment protection services. These services can help protect you from fraudulent transactions and chargebacks. By following these steps, you can streamline the process of receiving payments from international clients. Choose a reliable payment gateway, communicate clearly, and be prepared to address potential challenges. Want to learn more about international payments? Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.